Happy National Jerky Day. I've been challenged by my pals Justina from Justina's Country Kitchen and Jessie from Catalina Treats to make jerky. I've never done it before, so I thought it would be interesting to make jerky out of Spam. Well, you know, making jerky is a hard process. I don't own a dehydrator. I don't really want to have my oven on for 20 hours while I'm sleeping. It kind of scares me. So I did see you can make Spam type jerky in the microwave. So I'm gonna give that a try. Spam jerky. You know I love Spam. Let's do it. Release the Spam. I'm gonna thinly slice this Spam, I guess in like 1/4-inch pieces. I'm gonna discard some of my cuttings. I went to the store looking for some teriyaki Spam because I thought that would be great as jerky. But they didn't have it. I just got some regular Spam. And I'm gonna take my regular Spam and I'm gonna throw it in a baggie. I'm gonna pour some teriyaki sauce in there, and then I'm just gonna let it marinate for a little while in the fridge. I'm using the leftover Spam on my salad. Yum! I'm gonna be using a microwave safe paper. It could be wax paper or microwave safe parchment paper on a plate. And then I'm gonna take my teriyaki Spam and I'm gonna place it on that plate all around. Like this. And now I'm gonna put it in the microwave. I'll be microwaving it for about 4 minutes, turning these slices every minute. I'm just gonna dab some grease off of those Spam slices in between heatings with a paper towel. I don't think we've reached jerky status yet. So I'm gonna give it another 2 minutes. After 8 minutes, we have ourselves something much more jerky-like in consistency. I'm gonna put these pieces inside of a bowl for now. And now I'll shake on a little spice. Garlic powder, smoked paprika, and some black pepper. Shake that all around. And here we have it, Spam jerky. It totally looks like jerky. Let's taste it. Oh. Definitely chewy like jerky. Wow. Mmm. And it tastes awesome. I heard you can keep whatever you don't eat in the refrigerator for a few days. Enjoy it, Spam jerky. To see more people trying out jerky, you're gonna have to check out the hashtag June Jerky Challenge. What did the pork jerky say to the beef jerky? Nice to meet, chew.